Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get modded skins in Marvel Rivals on PC. Before we begin, keep in mind that modifying game files can be risky and may violate the game's terms of service, possibly leading to bans, so proceed at your own risk and always back up your files. To begin, open the game's directory. If you're using Steam, go to Steam Library, then open Steam Apps, then go into Common, then the Marvel Rivals folder, then Marvel Game, then Marvel, then Content, and finally open the Packs folder. Inside the Packs folder, create a new folder named Mods. Next, visit a trusted modding site like Nexus Mods and download the pack files for the custom skins you want. Place those pack files into the mods folder you created. Once that's done, launch Marvel Rivals and the custom skins should be active in game, though keep in mind that some may only be visible locally and not to other players. Also, after game updates, some mods might stop working, especially those that change full models. If you're playing through Epic Games or another launcher, the process is similar, just locate the installation folder and follow the same steps. That's how you can get modded skins in Marvel Rivals. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more gaming guides like this, subscribe. Catch you later.